Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Zoho CRM lead capture form embed easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the Zoho CRM lead capture form embed, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings option located in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, find and click on the developer space section. Under Developer Space, select Web Forms to see the list of your existing lead capture forms. Locate the specific lead capture form you wish to uninstall from the list. Click on the form to open its details. Once in the form details, look for the embed options on the page. You will see code snippets for embedding the form on your website. To uninstall, delete, or comment out the embedded code from your website's HTML. If you are using a content management system, access the page where the form is embedded. Remove the Zoho lead capture form code completely from that page. After removing the code, save your changes. To ensure the uninstallation is successful, refresh your website to see if the form is gone. Double-check the web page to confirm that the lead capture form no longer appears. If needed, you can also revisit your Zoho CRM account to delete the web form for complete removal. Go back to the Web Forms section under Developer Space and select the form again. Click on the Delete option to permanently remove it from your Zoho CRM account. Your Zoho CRM lead capture form is now successfully uninstalled from your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.